A sportswear company sources its shoes from two suppliers, A and B. It is known that 5% of the shoes from supplier A are defective, whereas the figure is 9% for supplier B. The company obtains 65% of its shoes from supplier A. Where necessary, round your answers to 2 decimal places. Okay, so construct a table to show the information. So I would do a two-way table here, and I would put the supplier A and the supplier B just here. And then on the top, we would have defective and not defective. So they get 65% of the shoes from supplier A. So this would be 65%, meaning this has to be 35%, making up the 100%. From supplier A, 5% are defective. So we need to do 0.05 times 65. And so the defective shoes from there, 3.25%. 65, take away 3.25, 61.75% here. And then from supplier B, it is 9%. So we need to do 0.09 times 35. And that would give us defective 3.15% there. And then 35, take away 3.15, gives us 31.85% here. And that gives us column totals here of 6.4. And the other column total over here is 93.6, which makes up the 100%. So for part B, find the probability A given the shoe is defective. So that is the probability of A given defective. And so we're only looking at the defective ones. So we're only looking at this column. And that means the denominator is 6.4 and the A's are 3.25. If you calculate that to 2 decimal places is 0.51. And then for part C, probability of B given the shoe is not defective. So if it's not defective, we're only considering this column and just here, which means that the denominator there is going to be the 93.6. And it was B, so that's 31.85. And if we calculate that, it is 0.35, correct 2 decimal places.